So good day, sir. I'm Dexter Magallanes from Tunan, Kanang Galiti. I'm 20 years old. BSMAR E3 Alpha. So this day, I will be discussing about the question: do you think society can stay peaceful or orderly if everyone follows moral relativism? Mm, so for me, moral relativism is the belief that what's right or wrong depends on each person's or culture's perspective, right? So, yeah, there are no universal rules. Just what feels right to you or your group. Uh, well, that sounds flexible. But let me ask you this: what happens when two people have opposite beliefs? Like one thinks stealing is okay if you're poor, but the other believes stealing is always wrong. So without shared rules, it's hard to decide what's fair or how to solve disputes. People might do whatever they want, even if it hurts others. So the question is, uh, so are you saying the question is without with harmony it is impossible with moral relativism. As I can say, uh, not entirely, but it's tricky. A society needs some common values like respect, fairness, or justice to work well together. Moral relativism doesn't naturally provide those. So the question, what's the alternatives? So a balance. Some universal morals like treating others kindly combined with flexibility for different cultures and beliefs. That way, people can coexist peacefully while respecting differences. That that make so uh, relativism could create chaos, but shared values can hold society together. So without some agreed rules, harmony becomes a challenge. That's why we need to agree on the basics, even if we don't agree on everything. And that's all, sir. Thank you.